So that is one of the things that I'm tending to look for. You know, if somebody has been made toxic with chitomium or Chaetoglobosin, I'm assessing, you know, I'm looking at kidney function, liver function, pancreas function, and if there's any limitation in either of those, I'm using glandulars to support those. What else? Chaetoglobosin is moderate, meaning, you know, significant-ish activity against cells across a number of cell types. And the main thing is it's blocking something called actin. Now, actin, there's a few different things that make that important. So actin and myosin is part of skeletal muscle. So a lot of people who've been exposed to Chaetoglobosin get skeletal muscle wasting. So it's one of those things that even if you're working out, you start to lose weight, and it's the wrong kind of weight. It's the muscle weight, not the fat weight. So you can become thin, like skinny fat. You can get thinner, but you're losing the wrong type of tissue. The other thing that actin is responsible for is a bunch of cellular structures in the respiratory tract. Especially Chaetoglobosin is toxic to the nasopharyngeal cavity, and that's where we're breathing it in. They found in animal studies that even if you fed an animal half of their diet as Chaetoglobosin, straight Chaetoglobosin, they don't really get all that much affected. So we know it's not a big feed-borne or food-borne toxin. This is an inhalational toxin, and it's particularly damaging the nasopharyngeal cavity.